Okay, welcome back. So far, we have covered the master data. The same way, we have created the inquiry and we have also created the quotation. And while we are trying to create the sales order, where the confirmed quantity got, we have seen the confirmed quantity as 0, right? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thanks for the confirmation. Okay, where we have seen the confirmed quantities as 0 because there was no stock available to the product. So what we are going to do now is we are going to post the stock to that material. Let me open the SAP now. If we go into SAP here, we have to log. Yeah. If we go into the transaction MB1, MMB, where we can see the stock means available stock on that product.
Okay.
You can see the available stock of that product. What is our material? Below 6. So if we give our material here and if we press execute, then we can come to know what exactly the stock is available to available to the product.
For that particular material.
Yes, for
Yeah.
that particular material. Let's see here in M100 Alchem Labs Limited. Here we cannot see any stock laid against this material. So we have to post the stock now. Then if we post the stock, then we can see the stock here. So let me do the stock posting. We use the transaction MB1C to post the stock. Okay, what is the transaction?
MB1C.
Yes. So let me go inside MB1C. And here we have to give the movement type as 561. Actually, the stock posting is not related to us, it is related to Consultant. If there are any issues related to stock posting, then they have to look into by the they have to take care by the Consultant. But here in our test system, for the practice purpose, we are doing the stock posting. So here let me give storage location as M101. Here it is showing us one error, right? While we are posting the stock, we will face many errors. We have to solve all of them. Then only the stock will be posted successfully into the storage location. So let us go through
Okay.
the first error. What is this? Number range,
Number
number range,
trans event.
which
Yeah.
is for the type
WA
WA
in
in the
year
year
2021
2021 does not
does not exist.
okay. So
Yeah.
what we have to do for this error?
Okay.
We have to go to the transaction OMBT. Okay, and
Yes.
yes,
OMBT.
and you have to click on the intervals here. Wait a while. Before that, you have to do one thing. You have to go to the groups here, maintain the group. Here we are getting the error for WA, right?
Okay.
So WA is
WA.
existing here, right? So you have to click on this one. Then you have to press enter.
Okay.
Okay. Here, what is the last year available here?
Okay.
2010, right?
2010.
So we
Yeah.
have to add one more entry here. That's for 2012 because this is the year 2012. So
Okay.
insert year, then I'm going to insert the new year 2021. Okay, and
21.
here, yeah,
Okay.
here what is the last interval exist here? Let me check once. This is what the last interval, right? So I'm just going to give the same interval here,
Okay.
and I'm just going to save it.
If you give the same interval, there is no issues, right?
Yeah, yeah, there will be no issue here. And again, we are going back
Yeah.
to stock posting. See, that error got resolved, right?
Uh-huh.
And now we can see
Yes.
the another issue is here. It's nothing but parameters for the plant M100 not maintained in inventory management.
Inventory management.
To solve this error, what we have to do is,
Okay.
let me go here. We have to go through the path SPRO, then here material management, here material management, then inventory management and physical inventory. Okay, here plant parameters.
Okay.
We have to click on plant parameters. Actually, people has to maintain these plant parameters, but as we are not the consultant, what we are doing here is we are just copying the entries from the standard company. Here is not standard plant. Here is nothing but 1000, and we are going to
Okay.
copy to our plant, but 100. In the same way, I'm doing it for
100 plant.
M200 because we are having two plants in
200.
sorry, in our company code, right? So
Okay.
I have saved both of them. In the same way, we have to do the same thing in production also. Let me go back. Go to SPRO, SCP reference IMG. Here, let us go through production and material requirement and planning. Then here, plant parameters. Then carry out overall maintenance of plant parameters. Here, what we have to do is we have to copy from the plant 1000 to our plant M100.
M1.
Okay, I have copied them. In the same way, we have to do it for M200 also because we are having plants, right? So I'm
Uh-huh.
doing it for M200 also. So the data got saved now, right? So let me go back here to the stock posting. Yeah, this one. Let me press enter here. See here, we are getting a different error because the previous
Okay.
warning got resolved. Means the previous error got resolved. So here we have to resolve one
Uh-huh.
more error which is
One
related
year.
to posting periods, right? See what it is
So we have to
showing.
go to the AMSY.
Yeah, let me tell you what exactly we have to do. Here, posting only possible in the period 2021 12 and 2021 11 in the company code M100. Okay, go through the transaction MMTV and we have to close the periods here. What is our company code? M100, and we can give the today's rate. What exactly today's rate is?
29.
29.
Fall.
Okay, and if we execute, a posting period will get closed here. Then we have to go back here to our stock posting B1C. See, now we are not getting that error. So here we have to give the material 650, and here we are going to post the stock of 100. Now it is showing us one error that this material has status block. Okay, so for which what we are going to do is, let me go to the transaction MM02 and let me go here. is locked by the user, because here while we are trying to post the stock for that material, it is showing us this there. So let me close this window and let me close this. See here the explant status is 0 1, right? So I'm going to remove it. So let me go back to MB1C. Let's do the material here. See, it is showing us that CASN, internal number allocation for the materials handled in batches, because we have checked the batch management there. Okay, not an issue. You press enter. Now it is asking us the date of production.
Enter the date.
So if we give the date of production as 29 here, because on today we are going to post the stuff. Now it is showing that MRP controller will be notified. Okay, not an issue. See, here we are getting one more error, right? It's nothing but account determination for the entry INT underscore this one BSA 7920 is not possible. Then we have to go through the transaction OMWT. Let me go here. OMWT. Then go to our means go to the combination of our plant and company code. What is our plant here? Valuation area is nothing but plant here. So here our plant and our company code M100 and M100, right? So here the values are nil. So we have to give the value. Let me give the value
Okay.
0001 here, and I'm going to do it for another plant 200
Very
also.
different.
I'm going to save it now. So let us go back here and let us press enter. Let me go back to MB1C. Actually, it's just a warning message. It's just an indication. Here we have to give the manufacturing date, and the quantity is 100. And see, the previous error got resolved. Now we are getting a different error, which is nothing but GL account. This one 79999 does not exist in the company code M100, right?
M100.
So in order to
Okay.
solve this error, what you have to do is you have to go through the transaction FS 00 and let it get open. FS 0. We have reached the maximum number of sessions. Okay. See here 79999, I
Triple
think.
nine.
So let me, actually this is existing in 1000, the company code 1000. So what we are going to give is I have given the GL account here and I have given the company code 1000 here, and I am going to press on the lock symbol. Okay.
Okay.
Here if we see, it is blocked for creation and it is blocked for planning. So I have removed both of them and I'm just going to save it now.
Mm.
And what we have to do is we have to make this entry available for the company code M100 also. So I am giving M100 here and create with a template. What is the GL account? 79999,
79999.
and the reference company code is 1000. We are copying it from 1000. Okay.
Okay.
So then we have to save it. The data is saved now. So let me go back here to post the. See here that error got resolved. Now we are getting one more error. It's nothing but the period double zero nine 2021 is not open for the account type S and GL account
That's
this one.
um,
So in order to solve this error, what you have to do is we have to go through the transaction OB52,
okay.
and here actually we have copied from 1000, right? So let me check all the 1000 combinations here, and we have to give the future year as if it is 2008, so which means every GL account which got closed in 2008. So I am extending the year here. I am extending it to future year. Let me extend it to 2030.
Okay.
So let me do the same thing here also. The two period is and the year is this one. So I'm giving it 2030 here. So like this we will get some more errors also. So we have to clear all of them in order to post the stock. So now I'm going to save it. The data already got saved. So let me go back here to post the stock. Let me press enter, and now it's compiling, right? So let us see if
Mhm.
it throws any error, or will the stock get means add to the storage location.
Okay.
So here the batch came, right?
Mhm.
So while we have checked the batch management in the material master, the batches will come here automatically. So let me
Oh,
save this. If you are posting, you may get some other errors also, but not an issue. If you face any error, you can ping means you can what this put that error in the comment section. Then not an issue. I will reply as soon as possible.
oh,
You may get some errors related to what this.
accounting area.
Yes, in the same way, controlling area, all these things. So whatever the error it is, if you get any error, you can make the means you can take the screenshot of that error and you can place it in the comment section. As we are posting the stock at the first time, it is taking a lot of time, but not an issue. Let us wait for a while to get the stock get posted. I hope it won't throw any error to us now, as it is compiling from last 2 minutes. And Pawan, may I know what is the time it has taken to you to post the stock? Yes, see here, we got the stock posted into the storage location. So we can check the stock here, go through the transaction MMP, and if we give our material here, see, we have posted the stock of 100, right? See, now the
Mhm.
stock is 100, which is available, and which is available in the batch this one, and which got posted in M101. Here we
Raw materials.
yeah, here we are going to store the raw materials, but it's not the raw material one. So I'm going to post the same stock in final. Okay, the storage location of final load. So I'm going through the transaction MP1C. Here, what is our storage location for final product? M103. Okay, and the material is Dolo 650. This is the quantity. We are just pressing on enter here. We are just getting this one, and the stock of 150 is going to be posted now. And now it is showing that stock got posted, but where?
101. I think in 101.
No,
Yeah.
see, actually, as it is the test system, which is taking some time to update. Previously, see, here we can see 150 plus 150, how much? 300, right?
300.
So the 300 is available here in M103. Okay,
Okay.
and in the plant M100, and in the storage location M101, 100 stock is available. See here, in M101 raw materials, 100 stock is available.
Okay.
In the same way, in M103, 150 plus 150, 300 is available. See, you can see it, right? And if we remove this one, then we can see the stock available in both the storage locations. In M101, the 100 is available, and in M103, 300 is available.
Okay.
So I think you are clear with this session, right?
Yeah.
So I think you can post the stock now.
Mm.
And if you face any issues while you are posting the stock, you can put the comment in the comment section.
Sure.
Okay, thank you. And in the upcoming class, we will deal with the sales document controls. I will explain you the sales document controls there. And
Okay.
and you have to do one thing, which is nothing but you have to post the stock in your systems before we are going to
Sure.
the next, means before we are going to create the sales document. I hope you understood,
I will do that.
and we can conclude the session
Understood.
for now.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.